The MFASCO number 44320 4-shelf workplace first aid kit includes quality supplies for minor injuries while complying with the latest OSHA ANSI Class B first aid kit regulations. Key features include a durable white metal cabinet with a carry handle, secure door latches, and wall mount keyholes for easy installation. Many items come in tear-top packaging for quick and easy access. These features help keep your supplies clean, organized, and ready when needed. An easy-to-use refill system is also included to simplify restocking. To reorder, simply scan the QR code located on the right side of the cabinet. You are directed to the refill section of the product page, where you can purchase a new kit, a complete refill, or individual supplies. We also offer a visual refill system called ReStockKit, allowing you to inspect, organize, and restock only the items you need. Other refill resources include a printable checklist and a free email reminder feature to help keep your supplies up to date.